This 3.5 liter V6 powering this new IS is plenty powerful, and if you put it over into eco mode, it sips gas when you want it to. And this 8-speed transmission does exactly what you want it to do. Paddle shifters at your fingertips allow you to perfectly select the gear that you need to be in, and it does so without any hesitation. Throw it into sport mode, your steering tightens up, your throttle becomes touchier, the car just feels so solid. Throw it into a corner, and the IS performs. The engineers over at Lexus really know what they're doing when it comes to chassis tuning. And they also really know what they're doing when it comes to styling. The exterior of this car is absolutely gorgeous. From the front all the way to the back. And don't get me started on that light bar around the back. I can't stop looking at it. Every time I look at the back of this new IS, I can't stop thinking about how they molded that trunk. So sleek, so sporty, and so futuristic. It's truly a stunning design. And on the interior, with ours that's equipped with the red seats, I can't stop smiling. You've got red contrast stitching going across your dash and your steering wheel. You've got nice red leather armrests that are perfectly padded. And you throw it into normal mode, and you forget that you're driving a sports sedan. The growl that 3.5 liter V6 produces, I can't stop smiling. I mean, it sounds amazing in here. It's intoxicating. For a V6, this car sounds so good. All right, so let's take a moment to talk about this interior. First off, you've got nice stitched leather here on your armrests. Ours is equipped with the red interior, which gives you red all over. I'm a sucker for that. It looks great. You've got this cool pattern here on the door cards, which looks nice. You've got a leather wrapped, nicely bolstered steering wheel with red contrast stitching and your F Sport badge sitting prime there at the bottom. You've got stitched leather coming across the center console, the dashboard, your armrest, everywhere where you're gonna touch. The interior of this Lexus kills it. It's premium. You've got paddle shifters here on your steering wheel. You have an LFA-inspired gauge cluster that shifts over when you want it to. All your climate controls are really intuitive, nice and easy to use, all right here at your fingertips. I love how the climate controls have these touch-sensitive sliders to adjust your temperatures up and down. It's really cool. You've got an analog clock. Of course you do, because it's a Lexus. You have a touchscreen display that has Apple CarPlay. You've got this touchpad that if you don't want to use it, you don't have to, because you can reach up and touch the screen. But since I've been driving this car, I've actually been using the touchpad, and it's not a bad system. It works really well. You've got heated and cooled seats. You've got a heated steering wheel, a nice drive mode selector, a leather wrapped gear shifter, and a car that's a ton of fun to drive. So safety features. This car's got the Lexus Safety Suite System 2.0. That's gonna give you a lot of nice things. Our car's got blind spot monitors, we've got radar cruise control, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, lane centering assist. Every modern safety feature that you've come to know and love in modern cars is here. You've got everything. And like I said, you have lane centering assist, not just lane keep assist. So it keeps you in the center of your lane instead of bouncing you back and forth between the lane lines, which is a really nice system to have. So when you buy a luxury car of this caliber, you want it to perform in every condition possible. With the all-wheel drive system that's equipped on this one, you're not gonna have any issues in any terrain, snow, rain, or shine. It doesn't matter, because this all-wheel drive system can handle it. And also on that same note, when you buy a car like this, you not only want it to be sporty, but you want it to be comfortable. And the IS350 does a really good job at that. If you take it out of sport mode and you put it back into comfort, the adaptive suspension that comes with our dynamic handling package softens up. It gives this car a split personality and it becomes so much more comfortable. The suspension's plush, the seats are nice, they're bolstered, but again, this is an F-Sport. Just cruising along in the IS, if you're not getting on it, you can get up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. And for a car as quick as this, that's really good. This is a car that you're not gonna be embarrassed pulling up anywhere in. If your friends are into cars, they're gonna love this because it's got a potent V6, an 8-speed transmission, and handling to match. But if you're pulling up to your mom's house, you can throw it into comfort, pick her up, and she's not gonna expect a thing. And that's the truly beautiful thing of the F-Sport. That handling package is also gonna give you stiffer springs, a carbon fiber rear spoiler, as well as a few other goodies. Driving along, even in the rain, because it's pouring here in Chicago today, I feel very confident behind the wheel of this car. The handling is extremely good, the power delivery is extremely linear, and the car is just comfortable. That's something I can't say about a lot of other cars. This Lexus IS does everything extremely well. It's sporty when you want it to be. It's comfortable when you want it to be. It's got a luxury badge. You're getting an interior to match, reliability that's on par with the best in the industry, and you've got one stylish exterior too. So in short, the Lexus IS350 F-Sport is a fantastic sports sedan. It's an even better daily driver, and it deserves a spot in your garage. So make sure you come down to McGrath Lexus of Westmont in downtown Chicago, test drive one of these for yourself, and absolutely fall in love. I know I did.